that the things that I tried love in my life is to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say. I got your hey, oh, now listen what I say. When will I know that I really can go to the well once more time to decide on? When it's killing me, when will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to believe that I better not leave before I get my chance to ride. When it's killing me, what do I really need? All that I need to look inside. Hey, oh, listen what I say. Oh, come back and hey, oh, look at what I say.
Alright, so I've been testing the new computer out. Everything's been running pretty smooth. Max temperature that I've been getting is around 68 to 69 degrees Celsius, which isn't too bad, but it is what it is for a system that's pretty small. But yeah, we've been playing for about, I don't know, 2.5 to 3 hours. So yeah, there it is. And then you got the PS4 Pro right above it. I believe that should be chilling around 45, 46. That's usually what that stays at around. And then here's what everything's running at right now. Go to MSI Afterburner. 1935, 7750. And if I do overclock it a little bit, the temperature will go up. So it's really not worth it because I'm only gaining around a couple frames per second. So in the long run, I don't think it's really worth it. And then as for the CPU, it is staying around 60 degrees Celsius. Sometimes you'll see it spike up to 65, but that's normal. But yeah, hope you guys liked this video. My personal gaming computer is finally finished, and yeah.
Everybody